Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. Hi guys, today we have Smith Shah and he converted NMIMS Mumbai campus for BBA program. And 1609 is the rank basically. So we'll talk with Smith, understand his preparation strategy, what are the obstacles he came across. I mean, many other things also you will understand from the podcast. So do watch this podcast till the end. So let's go to the Smith and talk in detail about preparation journey. Hi, Smith.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
I am also great and feeling proud on you that you
Thank you,
have
sir.
converted NMMS Mumbai and finally your
Yes.
dream become true.
Okay.
So in my every live lecture, you keep on asking me, sir, कैसे होगा preparation and बैट का math stuff है logic के syllabus को लेकर के. So finally you got the campus. I'm happy. And
Thank you.
so what is the feeling? मतलब NMIMS जो अपने को चाहिए था वो मिल गया. What is the feeling?
Like dream college achieved for me.
Achieved. What about your parents? उनको, I
They were
mean,
also much happy for me.
they're also happy.
Yeah.
Okay. So who told you to go for the BBA domain NMIMS target करो? Parents ने बोला था
Actually,
या कहीं और से?
no. Actually, I just searched about and I wanted to go for business administration and management. So I was going through and like I was from NM college and opposite was the NM.
Okay.
So from there I had to find out.
So your target was only NMIMS Mumbai campus और
Yeah,
कोई college नहीं
mainly
चाहिए?
first of all I was like NM BBA only.
Okay. Great. Finally, dream achieved.
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you.
Okay. So coming to the preparation point, when you started your preparation, basically.
Actually, it was like October, November. October, November, I had started with the preparation with the classes and all.
Okay.
So from that time, I was starting.
Okay. October, November 2020.
And 20.
And how you
Yeah.
got to know about Maneuver, about us?
Actually, by online only, like Google and some advertisements, I got to know.
Okay.
Yeah, when I was searching, so I had the advertisements and all.
Okay. Okay. Great. So during your preparation, what was your complete planning chart, like preparation planning, daily
Actually, I had
routine?
planned like before the before the 12th standard examination, I was gonna complete the English and logical part, and
Okay.
after that, I was gonna do the content quants part. But then
Okay.
the exams were cancelled, so I started with the quants part also.
Okay.
Pretty tough, but like I had to cope up with it.
So that's what a plan basically.
Yeah, mainly I
But
was like going with the live lectures and and the books given by the classes.
okay. Okay. Great. So if I talk about section by section, which section you, I mean, you were feeling like ये section तो बहुत tough है मेरे से होगा नहीं.
Quantitative aptitude.
Quantitative aptitude. सबका problem maths को लेके ही है.
Yeah.
Okay. Which section you आपको लगता था कि यार ये section easy है अपना यहाँ पे full marks आए?
It was logical. I was something sure about. Somewhat I was risky with the English part, but I was sure with logical because it was good from beginning. So I was sure about that.
Okay. Okay. So logic was like easiest section for you. After that
Yeah.
English, then come maths. This was the
Yeah.
order, right?
Yes.
Okay. Great. And how many hours you used to prepare daily basis?
From the start actually it was just like 3 to 4 hours, but in the last 1 to 2 months I had started with 6 to 8 hour of preparation or more.
Okay. Great. So the section which you are not comfortable with, like maths, you said. So what you were doing for it?
I was practicing more sums and watching video lectures so I could revise with it. And also in the end, I revised it once more. So I was thorough with it.
Okay. So have you made any kind of a notes कि ये last में revision के लिए I'll use?
Yeah, I had made in the last, like 1 week before, I had made all the notes for every kind of chapter. So
Okay.
it was easy for me. And some
Okay.
of the notes by the classes also were pretty, like I had to make the notes and some of them were from the classes only.
Okay. Okay. Lectures जो हुए थे उसको वीडियो को एक बार और सुन लिया तो काम हो गया.
Actually, sir.
Okay, great. So coming to the mock test, how, I mean, you have planned mock test.
Actually, in the last 1 month, I started giving the mock test and all from the mini mock test and all. I was like just for appearing the questions I knew, and afterwards I planned for like the examination point of view, so I could know exactly where I was at and what all I had to revise.
Okay. So topic test you have done thoroughly, and
Yeah,
then full
like
length mock.
almost started. Yes.
Okay. What was your highest score in the full length mock?
Full length mock, actually, it was something just like 66, 66. I was low at the mock test actually.
Okay, come done with this part, and your mock part is been taken care. What else? You any kind of preparation pointers or the strategy part you want to add on?
Preparation matters. I can see that we need to do like we can't take the English part lightly because it's just like we don't know what has to come in the English part.
Right,
So it's
right.
like we need to revise thorough daily,
Okay,
and it's not gonna end up like it's easy or not.
right. Okay.
Yeah. So
For the maths, you were practicing the question, and logic
as
was
yeah,
easy for you.
logic was pretty easy, but still I had to go through the sums because they were not like any of the sums were gonna repeat. So I had to, and also mainly the time management thing was there because we were with a very less time, and
Right.
and actually the exam was also much time consuming than we thought.
Correct,
Where
correct.
we were given much less time for the cons part, so it was pretty much like we had to leave many questions. Just we had to give the approximate answers for them.
Okay. What was the best part when you joined Maneuver, and what are the add-on you got from the Maneuver during your
From
preparation?
mainly actually the live lectures and the coordination with the teachers were pretty much good, and also the books provided and the PDFs they were quite a good, actually much good because we were thorough with that, and
Okay,
it was like pretty much enough for our examinations. And
okay,
yeah, so I did not have to practice like any other book, but it was still like on the basis I just
okay,
gave on the manual books.
okay. How was the lecture? मेरा lecture के साथ अच्छा था कि नहीं? पढ़ाया था कि नहीं?
बहुत
Just
अच्छा
kidding.
है.
Just kidding.
Yes.
Okay, so last minute tips if anyone ask you कि यार last में अभी मैंने just those who are planning to write their exams in the month of 2022 or 2023 में भी लिखेंगे, उनके लिए कोई स्पेशल टिप्स कि भाई इंग्लिश के लिए न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट,
Yeah,
मैथ्स के
it's
लिए फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू डू, लॉजिक के लिए यू नीड टू थरो विद द बेसिक ऑफ लॉजिक, ऐसा कुछ टिप्स?
for English, I would say that book, like normally any book, yeah, if you are interested in book reading, it's mainly of that because like we can, if vocabulary increases from that, and also for logical, I would say just go through many sums because it's a totally wide part from the logical reasoning. So
Okay,
you can't be with some of the sums, and also for the quants part, it's quite a difficult, but you can't give up on that part because it's gonna like all the questions are gonna be same. It's gonna be tough, but yeah, we can cope up. And mainly don't give up on the mock results because it's not gonna be the same at the end.
obviously people write the mock, they get demotivated,
Yeah,
then they don't prepare, then they feel like कि मेरा crack नहीं होगा entrance.
mainly we can do like analysis on the mock part, and then we can appear for the exam because analysis is quite good by the portal also, and so we can prepare for them.
Right, correct, absolutely
Yeah.
right. So those who are watching this video, I hope Smith have clear to all of them how to go about your NPAT preparation. And obviously, if you really want to get the campus, want to achieve your dream college, the only solution is nothing but you should be focused towards your target and prepare hard. Definitely, you will achieve your goal the way Smith has done. Right, Smith?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. We'll keep on meeting Smith, and Smith have appeared for the, I think, other no any entrance, right?
No other entrance.
Okay, no any entrance. Okay, great. So yes, anything else, Smith, you want to add?
It will be just like don't give up at the end because like anything can't stop us from that, from being that on.
Correct,
Yes.
correct. So that's all from Smith, and guys, I hope ये podcast आपको definitely help करेगा आपके NPAT clear करने के लिए, and any of the other entrance you are planning, Christ का हो गया आपका, IP MAT हो गया, because syllabus is more or less same only, सिर्फ difficulty level change होगा, pattern change होगा. So same preparation if you stick with, then definitely you will hit the good campus. So that's all from Smith and from my side. Thank you, Smith.